This video today is gonna be about me customizing or retrofitting my LCI halogen headlights for my E90 BMW. Stay tuned. So pretty much you're gonna get started, show you the process, what I'm gonna do, which is add projectors to the headlight. I was gonna add a new LED for halo, but I think I'm gonna work with the factory one and just get a more brighter bulb. And then for the high beams, I'm putting a LED. Yeah, I'm gonna show you in a few. So here we go. Hey everybody. Alright, just showing you all the parts I'm using to rebuild or customize. So this is the LED for the high beam. I'm going to put links and stuff in the description of everything that I use. So this is the LED for the high beam. Going with a 3-inch projector. I'm probably gonna use this shroud around it. Then I also have a 2.5. And this one has this kind of shroud. So I'm not sure which one I'm going to use yet, but those are the options. And then for the LED, let me put this up. I got the DTM style LEDs, crystal, similar to the, was it the F30? But let's say F12, like the F30s. So those are all the things I'm going to be using to retrofit these headlights. So let's get started. Follow through. Let you know, doing it this way is a slow process, tedious, but in result you're gonna have a wonderful product. I just find it safer than my situation, putting this in the oven, then putting it on my lap and burning myself. So I'll take the slow, safe process. Alright, got a little open, try to pry. Just getting there, getting there. Gotta do this side right here. That's it. Alright, I got it open. Alright, so I'm going to start modifying this with all my parts. I will lay them out real quick. Give you a little example. This will be sitting up in here, like that. This one is going to be up by the high beam. Then I'm going to put the projector right here, which I'll go get in a minute. Alright, next step. High beam is in. Alright. High beam is in. Next, projector. Power TV magic. Projectors in. How we're looking. Now LEDs. Look on the new light. Alright. Right now, just going through the process of sealing this up. You know, got the two vice grips on right here, clamping it up. Alright, another stage. I'll be back in a few. Show you where else I'm at. Boom. Alright, so we're pretty much the end of this video. I'm going to continue with part 2 when the headlights are actually on the car and give you a better perspective of how them set up. So yo, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend. Yeah, part 2 coming up next.